Today we're going to show you Mr. Black.
How many drinks can we make with this?
At least
You'll see.
you'll see.
Is this a Reservoir Dogs reference?
Mr. Black?
Yeah.
As opposed to Mr. Pink and
Mr.
Mr.
Pink.
Orange?
Why do I have to be Mr. Pink?
Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Dan, Ian, and Derek. We're going to show you how to make a White Russian using Mr. Black. This is a sponsorship sponsored by the folks over at Mr. Black. This is a cold brew coffee liqueur. We're going to make it vodka, heavy cream, coffee liqueur. Here's the recipe. I got it. It's two on one.
No,
which is
I
weird.
said I just want to taste this by itself.
Oh yeah, no, I'm just saying.
Oh.
In general, I looked at it and went, wow, that's weird. It's 2 on 1, but it's not the same 2 on 1 you'd be used to. It's 2 ounces vodka, 1 ounce cream, 1 ounce of Mr. Black coffee liqueur.
That's good.
Yeah.
You try?
Yeah, give it a try in a second.
Yeah. So
It is good.
the instructions to make
You didn't
a
put the coffee in
White
yet.
Russian
Not yet.
Oh.
is as follows. I don't know if you're actually
No,
following.
top with heavy
You're
cream.
not
Whoops,
following.
I
it.
did that.
Add vodka.
It's fine.
That's what I thought, but I wasn't going to say anything.
Add vodka. Add Mr. Black.
You know, I always just throw them together when I make
Get
them
ice?
anyway.
Yeah.
Because you got to mix it up
Heavy cream.
anyways.
Yeah.
Stir.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, if you put the heavy cream in last, it looks cool for a few seconds.
Yeah, it does, but like you still got to mix it up.
Yeah.
Yeah,
You gotta mix
I
it
get
up,
the
man.
effect, but just mix it up. I just want to drink it.
Yeah, that's true. So, if you guys want to learn more about Mr. Black, go to mrblack.co. Use coupon code COMMAN10, save 10% off on their online store. You hit Shop Mr. Black,
It's good.
Shop Direct, use coupon code, save money.
Can I drink this now?
Oh yeah.
It's good. It's almost got like a little bit of coffee bitter to it, but
Yeah, because
it's got good coffee flavor.
It does, yeah.
That-
It's not really like liquor store, like alcohol strong.
that was one of the things that they had mentioned. I think is the fact that it doesn't use a whole crap load of sugar. There's a little bit of sugar because if you don't, it's
Yeah,
going to
it's
be
not overly. I don't
super.
think it's overly sweet for coffee liqueur.
Right. It's not like the other brands that tend to be super sugary. Like that's one of the downfalls to a lot of different coffee liqueurs is they're good as syrup, but like it kind of throws off the balance of the drink. I like coffee bean flavor. I guess I should.
This kind of has a coffee bean flavor. This has it has like a dark coffee flavor.
Yeah.
I'd almost rather have this and cream by itself.
It is pretty bitter.
You could do that.
Yeah,
You could do that.
You're just gonna mix it in your little. Where did you find?
I found it. I found all sorts of things down there.
That's not. That's weird. Like I only have 2 of those. Oh, they're near you. I see. Are you literally? You're gonna build it. You're gonna build the other drink that's on the back.
Oh, is
Oh
that
no,
on
that's
that?
a whiskey.
No, I was just doing like a one-on-one.
So these guys are coffee roasters and distillers. So you put those 2 things together. It uses an Australian vodka as its base. I know a lot of them will use rums. Problem with rums, there's really never a problem with rum, but one of the core problems when you're infusing things with rums is rums bring sweetness to them. So it's going to be harder to control the flavor because you're going to be,
Too creamy.
you know, if you use a neutral grain
You need it to
spirit,
be cool though.
you could do that.
Oh, yeah, that's good. Yeah, we should probably chill this.
Yeah, probably like
What?
One thing
What
of ice in
experiment?
there.
What are you making chocolate milk?
yeah,
Coffee milk?
coffee milk.
Coffee milk's a thing.
Coffee milk.
These
There we
guys,
go. There we go.
apparently they've been around since 2013. You can find them at top bars across the world, Dante, New York City, Nomad Hotel, the Savoy in London. I think we've mentioned Savoy
Savoy.
multiple times. Like that's
That's
one of the highest ended bars that
It is.
exists. They have a book. Savoy
Yeah, it's just
cocktail
like
book,
creamy
right?
coffee. It's good.
Now, if you freeze that,
Make ice cubes out of it? Throw it in
No.
your coffee?
no, I was ice cream.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
Coffee ice cream.
I like how you went with the ice cubes and not the most obvious thing, which would be
Ice cream?
ice cream, coffee ice cream.
But you can make a whipped cream with that in it. It'd be pretty
Put a
good.
little
You
liquor. Oh, I put it in easy.
Yeah.
I'll try
So does this actually have like caffeine in it? Is
Probably. I don't know if you have to say that. I don't know if coffee liqueurs typically do, but you don't. You'd have to decaf it on purpose. Because all coffee has. Does caffeine come through
But
infusions?
Cold brew
Yeah.
coffee blended with Australian vodka. So
Yeah.
I feel like
I would
it would.
imagine it would have
Should
coffee,
have, yeah.
caffeine in it.
It tastes like it has caffeine in it.
It's tasty. I mean, if you like White Russians or
Honestly, that's a little bit better than this.
yeah, I think that's
You know why? The ethanol It's just the vodka comes out. This balances better because of the bitter and the cream. Although you probably
You're
threw a lot of
coffee
cream in
drinker,
there, right?
I did an ounce of cream.
What's
An
in
ounce
here?
of cream and probably an
It's
ounce
an
and
ounce
a
of
half.
cream. So it's about the same. It's just
You could probably do like an
Well,
ounce of
so I'm
vodka.
gonna add some vodka in there.
I'm just not gonna add 2 ounces of vodka.
You could do like an ounce of vodka, an ounce of
Just gotta
cream,
throw the cap in
and like 2 ounces of the Mr. Black coffee.
right. And so I failed to mention that this recipe suggestion I posted on Facebook like a month ago. And
Go
John
for it.
Adams, Josh Honeymoon, Charlie Mullins, all said 211. John Knight said
a
he
little-
would
little
go
vodka there.
1.5 coffee, 0.5 cream, so to kind of change the direction a little bit.
I tend to like the less vodka in there. I probably prefer like a 1-to-1 vodka to coffee myself.
Foisey,
Cream to taste.
Rob Harris, I think, said equal parts of all the things, which I guess would make it so you wouldn't have that potent vodka flavor. So
I think it'd be better, yeah.
I think this is liquor.com or like this is kind of like the standard.
You can throw a little
Recipe,
Chambord
I
or something in there for a little bit extra flavor. I've done that before.
Well, now
Frangelico?
then you freeze that. Now
Or
you have ice
Frangelico or
cubes.
something.
Yeah, and a black raspberry coffee ice cream.
Yeah.
This is probably the better of like coffee liqueur that
Yeah,
we've
because
had.
you
Yeah,
could,
it's good.
which is
Yeah.
probably why they have it at higher end bars because you could control the flavor because when you're building a cocktail with cream or with sugar, you as the crafter wants to create the product with
Let's
the
make
ingredients.
that one. Do it with whiskey.
The aesthetic is good for a
Whiskey,
bar too.
Because that's what I'd rather have, right? I'd rather have this with like whiskey or something and not put the cream in it.
What country of
I
whiskey?
don't know. What do you
Probably
think?
bourbon?
Yeah, go
Yeah,
with bourbon.
let's
You
do
have
bourbon.
whiskey right up there.
It's an ounce and an ounce. Okay, that's
I have whiskey?
Turn around.
Is it good?
No.
Dan
No.
has his hand on it.
Yeah, but is that
Yeah,
good?
but no, this one's better.
All right, we'll do some Elijah.
Because everybody likes
So
Elijah.
1 and 1.
Just one
Make
one.
that.
1 and 1, some ice.
This
Let's try that out.
is available in the United States, 10 countries, I think. Yep, 10 countries, United States, Australia, and the UK. I don't think they count in the 10 countries. I think it's 10 plus the UK, Australia, and here. Because everything's available in the UK and Australia. Because it's 2-letter acronyms, the UK and US, everything. Because it's both starts with U. So that's how they do that.
Yes, it's easy.
What about Uruguay?
It's obviously available there.
Uganda?
Wow.
Ukraine?
You're just like a wealth of knowledge.
Look out.
You just know all the U places, don't you?
I know.
That's all of them though. There's no more.
You've covered all. Oh, Happy National Earth Day. That's what day
You
this
need
will
a
be
spoon.
coming out on. A spoon?
Or
That's
your jingle.
Or
Or a
some touch.
jiggle? Sup, bro? This is a spoon.
Now we don't need it.
What I was saying is that
out there.
if you have less sugar in this, when you build cocktails, you add the sugar to where you want it to be. If the product ingredient brings 2 different variations, it's harder
That's good.
to balance it because you have to account for that one variation.
Yeah, because it's not like sweet. It's
So what is this? Is this literally just whiskey and Mr. Black?
Yeah.
Yeah.
1-on-1. It's good. Yeah. It's not bad.
oh,
The scent was actually pretty good too. Okay, I was pleasantly wrong.
yeah.
I thought it was going to
good.
be wicked like whiskey tasting.
Why would they put this on the back of their bottle if it was like too overpowering?
For me. I don't know.
It seemed like that would be a
simple.
bad mistake to like, go through all this nice labeling and bottling and,
And
then
then
put like a recipe that just kind of sucks on the back.
Or you have 2. You have one that sucks and one that doesn't suck.
Try Mr. Black in cherry juice.
Oh,
Something. I don't know. Something
you won't be able to taste our product, but who cares?
That would be
Cherry juice is good.
Put in 2 ounces then.
7 ounces of Hawaiian Punch, 1 ounce Mr. Black.
No, it's just like that's better. Like a lot of times, your coffee liqueur, you're always like putting it in a cream drink, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sometimes
Yeah, that's
it's
the
nice to like
stereotypical thing.
move away from that.
What I just did.
Yeah, which
I mean,
is good.
that's not technically a cocktail, so that would make for a poor episode. We'd be done in like a minute. Like,
Yeah.
add these 2 together.
Like we
Thank
just
you.
did, yeah.
Well, that's why we made like 6 of them.
Well, we did. We made a lot of drinks.
Yeah,
I like Ian's invention, but I feel like it's worse for you. Like I feel like it's just.
but that's not a cocktail either. He just put cream and that together.
How's that worse for you? It's got less stuff in it.
What if you combine
the-
those 2 things
It's got
together?
the same amount of cream and coffee liquor. It just doesn't have the.
You want to put cream in this one?
True, and
You want to
vodka.
put cream in the
The best type
bourbon?
of.
Oof.
like a bourbon milk punch with
Yeah,
coffee.
maybe. Let's.
Well, think about it. The best type of White Russian doesn't have vodka in it.
How did you guys ruin your palate at the beginning of the shows? Oh, well.
We added.
Watch our
cream
next
to everything.
episode.
By just putting cream in everything we could. We wanted something different with no cream, and then
So we added it to everything.
Well, we first didn't, and then we did. But then we didn't, and we did.
Like, what's something besides cream? Oh, let's add cream to this.
This is true. We did just contradict ourselves. We wanted to make something that doesn't have cream. Can you add cream to that? But whatever. Oh,
Yes. Yeah, no, it doesn't really do anything. I like it without the cream.
this is just a whiskey White Russian, which wouldn't be Russian. It would be a white Kansasian.
White Kentuckian.
Kentuckian. They're not Kansas.
I would say something, but I won't.
He's like, I saw it. You're like,
I had it.
I have words.
I have words, but I'm not going to use them. Not at this time.
You just now you raspberry it up.
Yeah. Not much.
I don't know. I still like this better than the White Russian vodka taste. Like,
Ooh. That's not bad.
oh, this is now a White Russian with purple.
With a little bit.
Oh, you can smell the
Kiss of
raspberry.
raspberry.
That's different. It's like a milk punch meets coffee.
Yeah, this is sweeter,
Yeah.
but not.
Milk
This
punch meets
tailored
White
away
Russian.
the vodka burn and left just delicious.
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah.
Sweetness. It tastes like one of those ice creams you get at those places with all the ice cream.
Oh,
places.
yeah.
And you're like, I'll just
Yeah,
pick
we do.
these random flavors.
It's a Dove bar with cherry in it.
Yeah.
Oh. Well, jeez. You're just fucking nailing this shit tonight.
Wow.
Knocking it out.
Well, there
I
you
know
go. I
exactly
guess
what you're talking about.
that just happened.
Junk food? Yeah.
Got that.
Right here.
You know those ice cream places that have ice cream?
I feel like I'm being.
Hey, oh, wait a minute. You know those ice cream places that have ice cream?
You mean the ones with all the ice cream in them?
Oh, yes!
Oh, those are great.
They have all those flavors?
I feel like I'm being bullied. Well, you
A
know,
little bit.
the places with ice cream. That's
With
all.
ice cream, yeah.
So, if you guys have not heard of them, go to MrBlack.co. Make yourself. You can
Now it's
aspirate
done.
it.
Right. Yeah, if you want to aspirate it.
Yeah. Don't forget, if you're going to buy it on their website, use our coupon code because, well, besides you save money, it makes it like they'll see it and they'll be like, Derek is awesome. He got us some sales.
That's right.
There you go.
I mean,
I feel like somebody watched that show. Holy cow.
oh my god, there's like 3 watch time minutes. That was them 3 watching it
Yeah.
for a minute and they got bored. Yeah. But that's not how we roll. I watch 100% of our show. Because I have to.
More than one time, probably.
Well, yeah, I got to go through it 3 times. I got to do the time code thing on the bottom, so that all the segments in there. I got
Just
to
'cause
watch
he
it
likes
with
to
the
look at
pop-ups.
I know, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
He can't get like full because he's got to talk, to the people.
Yeah, I haven't.
The
Sometimes I do
Yeah.
catch stuff that I wasn't
Yeah.
aware of, and you guys are talking. And I'm like, what the fuck?
That's right. We're doing shit.
Oh,
All the
the
time.
producer told me
Drinking.
it's time to go. So over there, more cocktail videos with probably coffee, maybe vodka. I don't know. I'll come up with something.
There's
from
some
over
good stuff.
there. And then down below, also Drake Bartender Starter Kit. That's it, my friends. We're teaching you how to drink.